The innovation and science behind BioPlanet and the ability to support such a broad range of chemistry allows our clients to treat large, high-traffic areas, eliminate the risk of cross-contamination, and reduce labor allocations. We make the habit of using mops, rags, and spray bottles obsolete and ineffective for true disinfection, odor removal, pest control, and mold remediation. Our goal is to improve overall air and surface quality, reduce the environmental footprint, and positively impact your bottom line. As a BioPlanet client, you now have the ability to penetrate hidden surfaces, treat sensitive equipment, and most importantly, better protect your employees, patients, and customers from the spread of infectious diseases. You'll use less labor, improve efficiency, and achieve better results with the BioPlanet process. Let's begin with the ES120 electrostatic sprayer. Our engineers have spent years refining and evolving this sprayer. For ultimate convenience, it is easily transferable between both the 500 backpack unit and the 900 canister base units without affecting the functionality. It's made from high-impact resistant plastic and has a factory-tuned head. It's extremely durable for all commercial or residential applications. For your convenience, BioPlanet also offers a swivel head sprayer that rotates 45 degrees in either direction and can easily be maneuvered for 5 different spray angles, providing a more flexible range of motion to help reach and penetrate difficult areas. The battery pack is located in the rear of the sprayer. Before inserting a new battery, make sure to remove the small red plastic tip used for shipping protection. The battery pack is intended for use only with the BioPlanet electrostatic sprayer. These are non-rechargeable batteries. Do not attempt to charge the battery for risk of fire. After you remove the end cap, insert the battery into the sprayer end cap and place into the battery cavity. The battery can then be tightened by turning clockwise. The average lifespan of the BioPlanet battery is approximately 60 to 70 accumulative spray hours, and the green LED light indicates when the electrostatics are operating properly. If the LED light does not illuminate, it's time to replace the battery. The nozzle assembly is located at the tip of the sprayer. To clean the nozzle components, simply unscrew the nozzle by hand, counterclockwise. To ensure trouble-free operation of the unit, periodically rinse and dry the nozzle out with clean water and a clean dry cloth for maximum efficiency. When reinstalling the nozzle cover, be sure to only hand tighten. Never use pliers or other tools to tighten it, as this may cause damage. By cleaning your sprayer's nozzle as needed, you'll avoid the long-term chemical buildup that can eventually cause clogs, poor spray pattern, and lessened efficiency. The liquid filter component of the sprayer is located in the lower handle and can be easily removed, preferably with a coin or a flathead screwdriver. Its purpose is to filter out foreign contaminants and provide a configured flow rate for the base unit. The canister will have a CS symbol on the filter, and the backpack will have a BP symbol on it. Once it's removed, either wipe or rinse the filter to dislodge any debris and clear any particulate for optimum performance. After drying, replace the cap and tighten until the groove is perpendicular to the features. Always finish by wiping down the entire sprayer with a clean, dry shop cloth. These simple procedures will help to ensure the longevity and performance life of the equipment. The CS900 canister unit is ideal for disinfection, decontamination, mold remediation, and odor removal in medium to large-scale facilities. It's a stainless steel tank and requires a minimum amount of maintenance. The non-marking wheels provide easy transport and maneuverability without leaving scuff marks. With a hose length up to 50 feet and the ability to hold approximately 3 gallons of product, it is capable of producing over 96 minutes of continuous spray and can cover roughly 30,000 square feet. To open the tank, first make sure that the air compressor is off. There's a pressure relief valve on the tank lid. Always depressurize the tank before opening the lid by pulling up on the valve. To remove the lid, hold on to the handle, Rotate the lid 90 degrees and simply pull out. Make sure to not overfill the tank. To close the tank, simply slide the lid onto the tank opening in the same direction as when it was removed. Please note, if the lid is not closed properly, the sprayer will not work. To attach the canister to the CS900 frame, there are two tank quick connect hoses, one for the air and the other for the liquid line located at the top of the frame. It does not matter which line you connect first. The quick connects can be distinguished by the different color bands. The white band should be connected to the in plug on the tank. The black goes to the out plug on the opposite side. But most importantly, the BioPlanet sticker logo on the tank must be facing outward to achieve the proper connection. Once positioned, simply pull back the neck of the quick connects and push them onto the corresponding stubs on top of the tank. Upon completion of the service, always disconnect the smaller liquid line while the unit is still running and allow the air to evacuate the sprayer of any residual chemical. Then, wipe down the unit with a clean, dry shop cloth prior to storage. Once the sprayer is empty, turn the unit off, wipe down the nozzle, and store the sprayer back in the holster. It is imperative that operators always follow the suggested guidelines provided by the chemical manufacturer on the SDS label for both personal protective equipment as well as disposal. For safety, make sure to always unplug the base unit from the power source. Reel up the hose and store in an appropriate and dry location. Always make sure that your extension cord is in good condition. An undersized cord will cause a drop in line voltage, which could result in loss of power and overheating. We recommend using a 3/14 gauge extension cord no longer than 100 feet. The orange power switch is located on the front of your unit. For added safety, the on-off switch also serves as a circuit breaker. The switch will illuminate when the unit's plugged in to an adequate power source. To begin spraying, maintain a firm grip on the rear of the handle. Squeeze the trigger with your index finger to initiate spraying. It can be held down for spot application, or it can be locked in place with the trigger lock for continuous or longer-term application. Simply lock it in position by sliding the trigger lock rearward until an audible click is heard. To unlock, push forward on the trigger lock to release. Never store the sprayer with the trigger in the locked position. Pay attention to the green LED light on your unit, as it will illuminate when your sprayer is on and is carrying a sufficient charge to produce a wraparound effect. If the green indicator light is not illuminated, the droplets leaving the sprayer will not carry a charge and will not provide the same benefits or coverage of the product being administered. If the green LED indicator light fails to illuminate, stop what you're doing and replace the battery pack. All BioPlanet products come ready for operation and securely packaged with a product manual. If the received package appears to be damaged during shipping, please notify BioPlanet immediately and refrain from operating the unit. Carefully review the manual prior to operating the unit. The BioPlanet mobile backpack unit weighs just 27 pounds when full and has a hose length of 6 feet. The spray range is approximately 6 to 10 feet and produces a droplet size between 30 to 50 microns. You can cover roughly 500 square feet a minute and over 11,000 square feet with each tank. The backpack has a polyethylene tank, which has a max fill line capacity of 0.63 gallons or 2.4 liters. Be careful to not overfill the tank. It's equipped with a self-venting cap, which allows the tank to breathe. This design has been heavily field tested and engineered for personal comfort and safety, and can easily be worn and operated by men and women. As with the 900 unit, the larger Quick Connect provides air to the system, and the smaller Quick Connect provides the liquid. Simply push the socket connection from the hose onto the unit, and then pull gently on the hose to verify the connection is secure. Make sure you do not disconnect the Air Quick Connect while the unit is operating, as this could damage the fittings and would nullify the warranty feature. The power switch is located on the underside of your backpack, and for added safety, it also serves as a circuit breaker. BioPlanet has taken special care to quiet the unit and added a sound-deafening air filter. Do not remove or cover the air filter, as it may cause it to break. All BioPlanet equipment is designed for maximum efficiency and to make it as user-friendly as possible. First, tighten both shoulder straps. Then buckle the chest strap and tighten as needed. Next, buckle the waist strap and adjust appropriately. By combining all of the straps, it will balance the weight of the unit on your back and create a more comfortable experience. In conjunction with Emory University, BioPlanet stays in constant R&D mode on both equipment and chemical efficacy testing to guarantee you receive the absolute best products and results available today. Empirical data shows that a modest investment in new cleaning procedures can significantly improve your bottom line. Our cutting-edge technology can solve even your worst microbial challenges and does it better, faster, and more efficiently. BioPlanet will work with you to establish best practices and protocols for your specific challenges. Please note, these units are not mechanical cleaners. There are pre-spraying procedures that one must follow. If an interior area is spotless, there is no preparatory work required prior to spraying. Once the area has been cleared of foreign objects, dust, and debris, you're ready for the BioPlanet electrostatic spraying process and to provide a superior disinfection and/or odor removal procedure that reaches pathogens and odors at their very source. BioPlanet is wholly committed to mitigating the spread of infectious diseases and protecting our citizenry from debilitating pathogens. Before starting, make sure to always familiarize yourself with all label warnings and precautions of the product you'll be spraying and wear the appropriate PPE described by the chemical manufacturer. As with priming a pump, there will be a momentary delay before liquid will be present. This is due to the fact that on an empty system, liquid must travel down the full length of the hose. Once you begin to spray, choose a starting point near the rear of the room. We recommend starting where the wall meets the ceiling and using a rhythmic or sweeping side-to-side motion. Continue moving your spray pattern downward until you've reached where the wall meets the floor. Make sure to work in a methodical zigzag pattern and to let your strokes overlap when moving to the next section. Using the same approach, begin spraying the ceiling. Once the ceiling is completed, your last function will be to spray the floor, backing out of the room and being careful not to trip over the extension cord. To achieve the best results, allow the treated area to dry as listed per the instructions on the chemical label. Note, do not oversaturate the surface. If you see runs or puddles, you're applying too much chemical. As in spray painting, the goal is to achieve even coverage over the surface area. The sprayer is designed to help you do just that. The spray droplets propelled from the sprayer are very fine and uniform and will seek out hidden spaces, penetrating deep into germ-infested areas untouched by other protocols and providing 100% coverage. This means that the target surface area should just barely glisten with moisture and will evaporate quickly, in sharp contrast to conventional pump or hand trigger sprayers that leave sloppy, large beds of uneven liquid on desired surfaces, providing sporadic, uneven coverage. Once you've completed the application, make sure to follow these easy steps to properly maintain your equipment. Most companies today simply provide cleaning procedures without the benefit of really disinfecting. They also tend to mask odors by continuously adding layers of harsh chemicals. The BioPlanet goal is to provide you the tools to eradicate pathogens from all surfaces, even the ones you don't see, and truly protect surfaces for better long-term health and increased productivity. We hope you enjoy your state-of-the-art electrostatic equipment, and we look forward to partnering with you to protect what you value most.